Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I'll be teaching you how to, when you click one of your items, it changes into, say, I click that item, it changes into that item. So I click that, but then it's actually gives you that. I can't explain it, but you'll see. Sorry if you can hear Peppa Pig in the background, my sister's watching it. Yeah, I'm going to teach her, sorry about the background noise, but yeah. So, Jordan, I'm making a video. So guys, I'm going to do the head items. So, I'll click this furry hat. You want to walk around with it a bit. And you want to go back onto the same thing. Click another head item. Or the item you basically, I can't explain. Okay, you want to clear it. And then click another item, and then you can see it does that. So I clicked on the halo and it gave me this, hang on, I'll show you. It gave me that. Oh, I think I've just messed it up. Okay, I'm going to do that again. So yeah. And this time I'm going to do it with the item I mostly have, which will probably be the spikes. Yeah, got my spikes. Not that good spikes though. So I'm going to click on this Zio spike collar. Walk around. I click on this wristband. Remove my items. Guys, hold on, I'll be right back. Guys, I've just checked back into the footage of the video. I clicked on that spike and then it let me... Look! Oh, don't worry. Thought it was a glitch, but no. Thought it would let me wear two spikes at the same time, but this is the wrist, that's collar. And it seems that spikes are not working, so I'm going to go on to the shoe. Got a lot of shoe items as well. Elf, with his elf bracelet. Walk around. Click back onto the shoes. Guys, this time it is! Two shoes at the same time. So then you want to click on another pair. Clear all your items. Yeah, look, it worked. Clicked on the diamond ring and it gave me this. I don't know the name of it. Click on the flip-flops, it gives me this. Click on the elf bracelets, it gives me a sword right there. Diamond ring. That gives me this top thing. Stegosaurus tail. Zeo spike. I have no idea what that is, it's a drum. And yeah, this is the look it ended out with. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, like I just said that, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!